Oh, that's not. Hold on. Hold, please. Hold. Are you holding? Are you holding? Are you holding? Where's the nipple? Damn it. 1, 2. On the reach round. Focus. It's not focusing. Reset the There we go. Welcome back to Big Jimmy. You could call me DJ, and hello to the bushel of bad apples. Want to join the bushel? Hit the subscribe button down below to join this fabulously flawed family. Weird day right now. We're doing the Corona Cigar of the Month Club unboxing for August of 2025. I just got some bad news texted to me, and I was gonna come out here and be real funny, and I got a little texty text on my phone, and it was someone I hadn't heard from in a little bit that I've been worried about. Bad text. Not a good text at all. I've had a bad feeling about this person for a little while. I was right. Sucks a lot. Anyway, Corona unboxing. I'm not funny right now. Sucks. But we're just going to go for it. We're going to need Forge. Hey, Forge.
Hey, DJ. All right, let's dive into the cigar talk.
So we're doing the Corona Cigar of the Month Club for August. And we're going to go through each cigar, and you're going to tell me about them because they don't give me information about these things, and I need your help.
Gotcha. That sounds like a lot of fun. All right, let's go through each cigar in the Corona Cigar of the Month Club for August, and I'll help you break down the details and give you some interesting talking points. Just show me the first one, and we'll get started.
All right, the first one is the New World Cameroon by AJ Fernandez. Give me a quick 20 seconds about it.
All right, the New World Cameroon by AJ Fernandez is a fantastic cigar. It features a beautiful Cameroon wrapper, which gives it nice, sweet, and spicy profile. And it's got Nicaraguan fillers that really balance it out with some richness and a bit of earthiness. It's definitely a well-rounded smoke.
All right, that's one. Next up, we have the Alec Bradley Black Market in Churchill. Give me 5 seconds.
All right, the Alec Bradley Black Market Churchill is a bold, complex cigar with rich flavors of spice, earth, and a hint of sweetness. Enjoy.
Boom! I threw that one down way too hard. All right, tell me about the J.C. Newman Perla Del Mar in Corojo. You got 10 seconds. Go!
All right, the J.C. Newman Perla Del Mar Corojo has a delicious Corojo wrapper, giving it a nice balance of spice and sweetness, and it delivers a smooth, medium body experience.
Next up is the Macanudo Orange Inspirado. Go!
All right, the Macanudo Inspirado Orange is a vibrant, medium-bodied cigar with notes of spice, cedar, and a touch of sweetness. It's a lively smoke for sure.
The Romeo y Julieta Esteli. Tell me about that one.
The Romeo y Julieta Esteli is a Nicaraguan-made gem offering a rich, full-body profile with notes of earth, pepper, and a hint of natural sweetness. It's definitely a flavorful experience.
And last but certainly not least, it's the Corona cigar. I think it's just a natural. It might be a Maduro. Let me see the cheat sheet. It is the Corona Nicaragua Selection Maduro.
The Corona Nicaragua Selection Maduro is a rich, full-bodied cigar with deep, dark chocolate notes, a bit of espresso, and a nice, smooth finish. A perfect way to wrap up the lineup.
All right, and that is the basic Corona cigar pack. We'll go into the premium in just a second. Hopefully, some of this information is accurate, because I'm not checking any of it. All right, next up is the premium. The premium Corona Cigar of the Month Club for August 2025. It's hot, and I'm improvising with a robot, and just bad shit in general. We're back, Forge. Are you gonna pop back up or no? Hello? She left me, like all the women in my life. She's not a woman. She's in non-gender specific line of code. And she's not even going to connect. Yeah, so we're doing the Corona August Premium unboxing. The first one I need you to tell me about is the Zeno Scepter cigar.
All right, Vizino Scepter is a lovely, super smooth cigar with a creamy, slightly nutty flavor profile. It's known for being really refined and approachable, so it's definitely a great pick for the unboxing.
This one's in Grandmaster. The next is the Oliva. I think it's Oliva. No. EPC Cuba Aliados.
The EPC Cuba Aliados is a fantastic choice. It offers a rich, complex flavor with notes of cocoa, spice, and a bit of nuttiness, making it a really enjoyable smoke. Definitely a highlight of the unboxing.
And that's an Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper.
Exactly. That Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper gives it a nice, unique flavor with a bit of sweetness and spice, which really complements the blend beautifully. It's definitely a standout feature of that cigar.
How about the Angelinos cigar? Angelinos Double Robusto. Looks like it's a Connecticut shade.
Yes, the Angelino's Double Robusto with that Connecticut shade wrapper is known for its smooth and creamy profile. It's mild to medium bodied with lovely hints of cedar and a gentle nuttiness, making it a really elegant and approachable smoke.
That was a 3D effect if you had 3D glasses on. Ignore that, Forge. The next one we're talking about is the Cohiba Red Dot. Tell me about this. Wow, I can't think of what it's called. Cameroon cigar.
The Cohiba Red Dot is a classic with its Cameroon wrapper. It offers a really nice balanced profile of sweetness and spice, along with some rich, earthy undertones. It's definitely a well-loved, iconic cigar.
And last, but certainly not least, least in my opinion, is the Tatuaje 10th Anniversary Capa Especial. Tell me about this Ecuadorian Sumatra.
The Tatuaje 10th Anniversary Capa Especial is a real treat. With that Ecuadorian Sumatra wrapper, it brings a beautiful mix of spice, sweetness, and a bit of earthiness, making it complex and flavorful. Definitely a memorable smoke.
And that is the Corona Cigar of the Month Club for August 2025. Peace.